Look at Logisim. Logisim is a great tool if you are studying logic design, digital logic design, or digital circuit, microprocessors. So for all these courses, Logisim is a great tool to learn. Some of your studies may contain lab with this software. If you want to download this software, you can go to Google, and if you type on Google, like if you type Logisim, you're gonna see SourceForge Logisim download. I don't know if you're seeing it. Okay, here we go, Logisim download, and then you can download this software for free. And once you download, you will get this one. And here Logisim has this input. This square shape is an input, and this circle shape is the output. And here we have wiring, and then the second part is gates, the logic gates, and then this is multiplexer, decoder, and stuffs. And this is arithmetic logic units, adder, subtractor, multiplier, divider, and all the stuffs. And then memory, here we have flip-flops and register, counter, RAM, ROM, all of these are here. And then for input output, you can use these things as well. And then the last one is base. Okay, now let's look at an example. Let's say if you want to analyze the behavior of a AND gate, what you have to do is you can select an AND gate, and here this one coming with five input, you can change it over here based on whatever the number of input you need. Like if you want to just test with 2 inputs, you can put it like this. This is going to be just 2 input AND gate. And if you want to, like sometime you will be dealing with complex circuits, like the circuit need a lot of space. If you need a lot of space for your circuit, you can make this one small by going here, gate size, and make it narrow, so it's going to be smaller. And you can make it even bigger if you want, like this, but let's keep it medium for this video. So you can do that. And also, like sometime the data is like, let's say you are inputting a 4 bits data, 4 bits, you can change the bits by going here, by doing it here. But if you connect the 4 bit with this one, you're going to see this yellow wire because it's not, the bits are not matched. This is 4 bits, but this AND gate is 1 bit, so you have to change this one into 4 bit in order to match this one. Okay, now let's just deal with 1 bit for now. I'm going to make it 1 bit. Okay, so let's analyze the behavior of the AND gate. If you know the truth table of an AND gate, you know that in order for the AND gate to be on, both of them has to be 1. Then only it gives output of 1. Otherwise, it's going to be 0. So to test it out, you can just click it here, like by clicking the hand sign. You can click it here. This one turns into 1. The output is still 0. When both of them are on, the output is 1. When one of them is off, output is 0. You can test this similar thing with LED light as well. Like to put the LED light, what you have to do is you have to go to input output and click the LED, put it right here, connect it with this one, and you can change the color by change the color of the LED by going right here, like on color. You can change it over here, but let's leave it for red right now. So in order for the AND gate to be on, we know that both of them has to be 1. Now both of them 1, it is on. Now we can also create sub-circuit. I'm gonna go through the sub-circuit thing in next video. Sub-circuit is basically you can create another circuit name, like for example, like call this as A, B or something. You can name it anything you want. And when I go here, like, okay, this is main. In the main we have created this AND gate, right? This is our main. And in the sub circuit, what you can do is, or you can create a sub circuit and bring it like bring this circuit over there. So if you go to another circuit, okay, let me go back here, the one created. Okay, this is empty. Now if I click this name and bring it here, this is going to be act like the AND gate. Now to test it out, if I connect this input and connect an output. Okay, the problem is I didn't set an output for this one because we connected LED. I had to change this one into output. Okay, let's erase this and put an output here. Okay, now we have output. Now let's go back here, make it here. Okay, now we are seeing an output right here. Here we have an output. If we connect this, it's going to be this, and this is going to behave like an AND gate. This is very helpful because if you have like very complex circuit with a lot of stuffs going on, once you have created the complex circuit, and if you want to make it simplify with the input and output, you can just go and create another circuit like this, and if you click this, that's going to be simplified like this. For AND gate you don't need it, but if you have like very big complex circuit, this sub-circuit thing is very helpful. Okay, and these are the shortcuts. This is for the the selection and stuff, like to turn on and turn off, you have to select this hand sign, and this is for the editing, like if you want to remove or delete or anything, you can do that, and you can label anything like this, you can type something on top of it. And the way to label, like the better way to label is by clicking this and label right here. You can name this one as A and B, but if you want to label the whole circuit, like if you click this, you can see something like that. So here, like let's say you want to name this one AND inside of this, then you can go and type AND and then leave it like this. So whenever you bring this one here, it's going to come with the name AND. Okay, and that is that. This is input, this is output, this is NOT gate, this is AND gate, this is OR gate, and so on, and also sub-circuit you can add with this one. If you click this plus sign, that is going to create a sub-circuit, and if you want to move the sub-circuit to the upside, you can click this and it's moved up like that. You can do a lot of stuff, and I'm going to go through each of them in my next videos. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. See